I made this beautiful wreath for my bed and breakfast, and all I used was book paper, some cardboard, and a scissors. Here's how I did it. Cut a piece of cardboard any diameter you like, maybe trace a dinner plate. Cover it with background papers. This is just in case anything peeks through. At this point, remember to poke a hole in it so you have a way to hang it. And then take leftover book papers and fold them in half and then make slices with either your scissors or an herb scissors. Fold your papers in varying lengths, make various size slices, and then you're going to get some really interesting flowers. The reason that this wreath looks so interesting is because my papers are different colors, they're different textures, the fonts are different sizes. Some of the papers have no words at all. And so it is that, unique combination of papers is what makes this wreath so visually interesting. When you fold them, you roll them around a metal chopstick or a dowel or the end of a pencil, really whatever you have. And then when you get your paper all the way around, just staple it. And the reason you staple it is you don't want the centers to pop out and your flower would come undone. So if you don't have an herb scissors, it is no big deal. Just use a regular one. And if you want your flower to be fuller, just add another sheet of paper. Use staples in between so your flower doesn't come apart. There is really no wrong way to do this. Even if you cut on the non-folded side, you're going to get a really interesting flower. So when it comes time to assemble, this time I chose a focal point. I used a doily and I put it inside of an embroidery hoop, and then I hot glued that to the center of my background piece. And now it's time to add all of the paper flowers I just made. Now, do not be precious with your hot glue. Glurp that on there, like really be generous, because they're going to be pushing on each other and you don't want them to come out. I use a metal chopstick and I just really push down really hard so I get good contact. And then just start adding flowers. Think about color, think about dimension and texture, and just go all the way around your background until your background is completely covered up. Make sure you hold it up and look at it a couple different angles. That's how you can, see if you've got some bare spots. And whiz bang boom, you're done. This one is a lot larger than the one that we just made today, but the process was exactly the same. And this is the one that I just demonstrated. And I think they are amazing. All you need are different colored papers, scissors, and some hot glue, and you're in business. Let me know if you make one. I would absolutely be thrilled to hear how it went for you. Thanks for being here.